Well, good morning, folks. Welcome to another episode of Papa Key's Kitchen. Well, today we're going to have a little bit of fun and make some of them oatmeal raisin cookies. But I'm using, again, Vermont maple syrup because I like it. I like the taste. So I substituted the sugar with the maple syrup. I got about a cup and a half of that. Let me put my cook hat on here. There. Now I look like a cook. Okay, so ingredients. I got 4 sticks of butter. Now this is another double batch, of course. There's about a cup and a half of brown sugar. This is a light brown. If you got the dark brown, use that. As I say, I got about a cup and a half of that Vermont pure maple syrup. And I got a couple heaping tablespoons of starch. And I got a couple tablespoons of dark molasses. I like this good old black strap. That is really good. It makes great popcorn balls too. I don't know if I'll make them this year or not. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. We'll see how it goes. What else we got here? I got 4 eggs. I got about a cup and a half or so of raisins. I got some Quaker Oats, and I'm using 6 total cups. And last but not least, I got cinnamon. Oh yeah, I like the cinnamon. All right, get that out of the way. Gotta have a little drink of my coffee before I start. Oh, that's good. Okay, put that oats over here. Okie doke. So let's put in my oats first. There goes my 6 cups of that. My 4 eggs. All right, I should open the butter first, but you know, I think I did that yesterday. I didn't open it up. Now these are room temperature eggs and room temperature butter. Now I'm using a salted butter, and therefore again I eliminated the salt. Well, regular salt that you would usually add about a half a teaspoon, because the Cabot butter is already salted. Although salt doesn't hurt me because my sodium is always low. I don't know why. Didn't used to be. Oh well. I think them doctors worry about it more than I do. They draw enough blood out of me and they should know what's going on, I guess. I gotta go down there I think Burlington to 27th or 28th. Whenever Thanksgiving is, it's the day after that. I was supposed to go down the other day, but my doctor decided she wanted the day off and canceled my appointment. Of course, I had made that appointment a year ago. Well, not a year, 6 months ago. Oh well, I ain't even gonna get into that. All right, so I got the butter in. Let's add the maple syrup. Oh yeah, good old Vermont maple syrup. Give it that nice maple taste. See if I can clean it all out here. Waste not. All right, so there's that. Now we'll dump in the cinnamon. No, that's not cinnamon, it's brown sugar. Close, no cigar. My 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. my blackstrap molasses. Now I've had to use this scrapity upper because molasses likes to hang on and don't let go. I used to have a feed store not far from my house, and they used to mix that molasses with the grain over there. Of course, I couldn't afford to buy any of it, so I used to go over there and eat that cow molasses. By golly, I never got sick off it either. But boy, that tasted good. That's like blackstrap, I'll tell you that. Wow, that was powerful molasses. Oh well. Probably ate a lot of things back then I shouldn't have. And my raisins. Two left in there. And to just make it interesting, if I got any, let me have a look around here. I think I'll add some chocolate chips to it as well. And wouldn't that make that interesting as heck? That's enough. Now, let's see. Need to seal this bag up, so I'll use it again some other time. That should do it. All right. Now, when I get around to it, we're going to cook this at 350 degrees for 10-12 minutes. I like mine on the soft side. Cookies, that is. And let's see. Oh, when I get this, I'm going to refrigerate this just like I did the chocolate chip ones. See if we can get this down there, locked into place. So I'll be back after I get this cooled down, and we'll have a look at them when they're done. I'll see you a little bit later. Oatmeal raisin cookies. There's a few chips in them. Those are good. Nice and soft, chewy. They came out wonderful. Yep.